Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. The Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries today committed to investing in new cold storage facilities for food processors. This following long-standing complaints from farmers that the absence of proper storage is leading to increased spoilage. As the world marks the importance of food safety, Jamaica's Agriculture Minister Floyd Green made a commitment to improve food safety on the island. He says there are plans to acquire cold storage facilities for meat and agricultural products in an effort to reduce food spoilage and the likelihood of foodborne diseases.
We have announced an 18-month program to establish a cold chain network across the country at the cost of about $157 million to ensure that in our highly productive areas, we can significantly reduce loss and we can ensure that our farmers are adequately, appropriately, and safely storing their perishable agricultural items.
In addition, the minister announced a $25 million program to modernize agriculture and improve plant and animal health,
which will help us increase things such as our plant pest surveillance, our plant protection unit. It will also ensure that we can do more crop surveys and train our farmers in relation to safe pesticides use.
At the same time, Industry, Investment and Commerce Minister Audley Shaw urged compliance agencies to remain vigilant in ensuring that Jamaica's food exports are without fault in an effort to protect brand Jamaica.
The National Compliance and Regulatory Authority and other border regulatory agencies are ensuring that our manufacturers are adhering to food safety standards and are producing nutritionally safe food for consumption.
Net international reserves increased by $100 million in May. The Bank of Jamaica said the reserves rose to $3,418 million. At that level, it will be able to purchase a little under 1 year of imports. In currency trading, the US dollar is selling for $150.48. The Canadian dollar sold for $125.76. The pound is going for $212.69, while the euro closed at $184.82. The JSE index gained 718 points today, while the junior market index declined by 23 points. Among the winners were MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US dollar shares, KLE Group, iCreate, Access Financial Services, and Margaritaville Turks. Now on the losing side were Palace Amusement, Lasco Financial, JMMB Group 7.15% preference shares, Dolphin Cove, and Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.